Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Honda Pilot wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel. You'll also want to ensure you have the correct blade sizes for your specific Honda Pilot model. Place a towel or cardboard on your windshield to protect it from accidental scratches during the process. This simple preparation makes the entire replacement much smoother and safer for your vehicle. Now, let's remove the old blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be gentle to avoid snapping it back. Look for a small tab or button near where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade off the hook. Repeat this for both wiper arms. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other side. Finally, let's perform a quick check. Turn on your wipers to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the windshield effectively. Look for any streaks or areas the blades might be missing. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember to replace your wiper blades regularly, typically every 6 to 12 months, for optimal visibility and safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.